Okay, so Nabil,
So Dhruv,
Rajat had asked that sometime what he faced whenever he talked someone in Tapri app. Okay, in Tapri app, then it's okay. He can manage. I mean, definitely he's talking about the voice calling part. But when it comes about the face to face, like now we are talking to each other, then he has a little bit hesitation or just stammering or fumbling. Why it happens? How anyone can reduce that part?
Okay, so firstly, good evening to all of you. So I think I would like to tell you that it doesn't happen with the language of English. If you think that your English, there is a problem in your English language, so I don't think so. It's not a problem
Mm-hmm.
with English. It happens with any pupils of any language. Suppose some pupils they are very accessible to talk in phone for voice calling, but when you say that I want to talk with you through video calling in WhatsApp or any other app, even though he speak their native language, they don't feel comfortable. So it's not a problem. It depends on your practice as well. That if you feel comfortable, you can say if you talk face to face, it gives a kind of public speaking, you can say, because you have to talk in front of many people. Suppose now we have been talking around 4 or 5 people, so everyone is judging you. They are, whatever I am speaking, they think, they consider, they ponder all the things. So you can say you are gonna be judging by someone. So it is also a thing, because you think if I make a mistake, people, what people think about it, that is the another reason, because you think that all the people is gonna judge you. So it is also a reason. So it's not a very big deal, because if you have been practicing, so after sometimes later you feel that you feel very comfortable.
okay, brother, I got it.
Yeah.
Uncle ji,
Okay. If anybody wants to just tell about their problem that you are facing right now in terms of English language, if you are learning, if you are
Yeah,
doing practice at home,
bro.
so
Yeah,
anyone
I'm
can
facing
speak.
one problem.
Yeah, yeah.
Bro, I can speak English fluently when I was in alone. But when I start to speak in English in front of people and uh, in front of the camera, I get hesitation. I don't know why, because I think there are notices if I make mistake. Every
Yes.
time I afraid about that problem.
I
So
think you
so
have
that's why I can't speak English fluently.
I think you have same problem like me.
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah,
I think
but
like
you are speaking well, bro.
when
Rajat,
depends,
bro.
it happens with most
Yeah,
of the
Uh,
people in different field. Like sometimes we give more importance to others that what they will think about me, how they can judge me. I mean, this is
yeah,
also
yeah. Yes, bro. Yes, yes.
yeah. But moreover, I think it is a lack of practice, nothing more than that. If you have practiced more than
Okay.
thousands times, no matter who is in front of you, you will automatically speak, whether they are prime minister or a normal labor or normal people. But definitely, no matter how much smart we are, how much fluent we are, but if we have never practiced in front of the people, then definitely we have a little bit hesitation and also fumbling. But doing practice every single day, I think that is what we have to do. And even if you are
Yeah,
doing
okay.
that, like you are telling, it is very easy for you to speak in front of the. I mean, if you are only there, but what is the use of that? The use of that? Ultimately, the language that you are learning, it you can use this language whenever you are talking to other people. And don't worry about that. I think it happens with all of us also. Whenever we just confront any new people, just because we use usually other language, our mother tongue with any people. But when it comes about the language that we are speaking, just because we are in a learning period, so we care too much about other people, what they will think about my English, and that's why sometimes even I have realized what happens. We can speak, okay, the same thing we can speak. Just imagine if we can understand 100%, then why we can't speak in that 100% way? Like if you are going to listen any tech talks, any YouTube videos, or any people, I think even you will get, Nabil will get, we all will get more than 80-90%, sometimes 100% content that they want to speak in front, that they want to deliver. But what happens, the same content that whenever we have to speak, we just hesitate or even the word don't come in our mind. The reason is always first and more, that is moreover, it's a lack of practice. And again, we also
Yeah.
give more and more importance to other people. And the reason is only one, just
Yeah,
because
okay.
we have given a lack of practice. That's why we think we are not enough perfect on it. Ultimately,
Yeah, okay, bro.
somehow you are end up in a kind of a practice part. That's it. Okay, if anyone wants to mention
Yeah, okay.
about this part, you guys are also free, like Manisha,
Yeah.
Sunil,
So
Sunil.
I am completely agree with Dhruv, and I am with you on that point. And I would like to add another thing. Like sometimes you know that if you talk of any guy or any girl of any topic, so you are not feel comfortable on that time. So it is not a problem of your language as well. The problem is would be happen that you are not interested on that topic. Suppose if I want to talk with you on cricket and you don't like cricket, you don't have interest on cricket, you don't have knowledge or information of cricket, so how can you talk even though you speak your native language? So it is also a matter. Suppose yesterday I got a guy and he said that my English is not good. Whenever I talk any person, I am not able to express myself. So I said, brother, do you have a information, do you have a complete information of that topic, of that particular topic or not? He said, I haven't thought about it. So you should think about it, because suppose if I talk you that, oh bro, let's go and just talk about pillow. And what will you talk about on the topic of pillow? Because if you don't have information about it, so you also keep it your mind that you have information or not. Yes.
Mm.
Sure. And this is what happens. This is what happens. This is what we have to just, I mean, reduce this part. And it is only, I think we can, we all people can reduce only by doing every single day practice. Sometimes I also face
Mm.
from, I told you, it happens like someone is a teacher, they can speak fluently in front of the child, in front of the kid. But again, if they
Mm.
have to sometime, I mean, Nabil, if you have faced, I mean, to other people, if you have seen, they are enough good to speak in front of the, I mean, just among 50 students. But what happens when they have to speak in front of the stage? I mean, whole stage, there are whole students along with all faculty, that even they face some problem. And the reason is only, don't you think they can speak, they can give entire lecture about any topic? But the reason is only one, that's because we haven't done such kind of practice. And that's why guys just see. Now we all have open our camera. So now it is another kind of interaction that we are doing right now. And it is also that gives us a kind of feeling that we are doing actual practice. Otherwise, we can also conference on call, or just we can just keep our audio on a mute and we can speak whatever we want. That's why it is very important to open your camera. So it is not going to help you right now. But believe me, after doing a month and month practice, whenever the time will come that you have to show your skill in front of the camera, or maybe in interview, or maybe anywhere, not only interview, in front of the people, you will feel more and more comfortable than other people. I mean, who have used only audios and they have never practiced. And it happens, it automatically happens. I mean, you don't need to do anything extra for it. I have realized, that's why I'm telling.
You know, brother, I want to say something. I think it's a very like actual platform, because first time I was using this platform, so that time I didn't ever talk with the person. But I think I had practiced, I think 3 or 4 days. So in this time I feel comfortable and I am talking and person like if
Yeah.
you will provide any topic, so yeah, I will say, I will speak. But I think you can judge in my first days, because in the first days, if I forget the topic name, but that time I didn't ever talk with the person, I didn't ever give the speech. But yeah, that's it.
Yeah, so I think it is depend all of you guys, that whoever joining every single day, and that's why we are not judging on the basis of their speaking right now, that we are giving at the last comparison or any kind of a solution that, oh, you are speaking wrong, right? That's why we record video and put on YouTube. I mean, one person also suggested us that at the last it is required to give review. I told that you are the best thing, like, you know, definitely you know about whatever we are speaking right or wrong. Only the thing that we had to go and we had to watch at least our part, that how we are speaking. And believe me, we are watching that part, definitely we will increase our fluency, we will increase our pronunciation, everything, that we don't need other people.
Yeah.
That's why
I think,
sometimes
you know,
you can check yourself
yeah,
also.
I think every person has a good knowledge about the English language, but they have not a practice. But we need practice. If we will do practice more than like 1 month, 2 months, so automatically like student, like every person will be speak fluently. But you know, about the environment, if person has a good environment, so I think yeah, they can speak easily. I saw lots of like children, they are speaking so well. I think uh, her, yeah, him age approximate 10 years, 12 years, but they are speaking so well, because they have like good environment and they are using every day this language in our lifestyle.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, that's
sure.
it.
Okay.
And I think it is not about the language, whichever
Mhm.
activity you are doing. If you are giving in the not 100%, but if you are giving to 70 to 80%, and daily you are doing the practice and you are consistent, then it is easily achievable, I think.
Yeah.
Yes, people said practice is the man perfect. If you will do
Sir,
practice every day, so you can get everything.
Yeah, Manisha.
sir, but we can do more about the speaking, but we can do extra if we want to make our English speaking better, sir. In addition with this Zoom session.
Okay. Nabil, you want to answer?
Yeah, I think it is very easy thing. You just create some habits for yourself. Like you try to make some habits like what I did, because I committed myself that I don't have to pay any single money for learning this language, as well as I don't have to go any institute for learning it, and I have to learn by myself. There is no study for any teacher. So you just think that I always try to do myself engage in English language. Whether just like I want to give you instance of YouTube, I unsubscribed all my YouTube channels of Hindi, and I just subscribed all the channels of YouTube in English language. Suppose I like fitness and workout related, so whatever video tutorial or workout tutorial I watch in English language. So through them, I am not only learn language, but I also learn some information, some knowledge regarding to it. So if you just watch some videos how to learn English in 6 months, how to learn English, what's the grammar rule, so I think it's not good for your increase your level. If you are intermediate level or you want to become advanced level, so you don't have to watch such these stuff. You just go for, you can read newspaper daily basis. I'm not saying that you have to compete all the newspaper. You just read 1 page or 2 page, and you can read some articles on your mobile phone, because everyone use mobile phone every time. And you can listen some podcast instead of listening music. Especially if I go to gym, I always listen podcast. I never listen Hindi songs, especially for last 8 to 10 months. I haven't listened it. So it's completely up to you. How can you organize your life? You have to make it habit. And I know it is really hard, because when you do it in starting time, you feel very awkward. You hardly understand 30%, 40%, 50%. But if you carry it for a long time, you can get 80%, 90%, and more than 90%. And that is the things you get lots of confidence, and it shows on your speaking or whatever you do. And it happens with all the aspects. Like Vijay
Sir,
said that. Okay, yeah.
sir, but in extra, what you do in extra of the Zoom session, what in on the daily basis, what you do?
Yeah, what can I say? I told you that whatever I do in English language. I'm not saying that
Okay.
in this specific thing.
But
Like
for,
I try to,
but for speaking thing.
I don't
You
do
can
any.
use like Tapri app. Lots of like platform available for talking, like Tapri, Buddy Talk. You can use. You will
No,
meet lots of person.
I just use another app which name is Hello app.
Hello.
I just use
Okay.
that app. Not I'm use Open Talk, Buddy Talk, because their internet connection is really bad, and Tapri is also not good for me, because when I send a request, so
Is this
someone
also free
accept
of
it for a
cost?
long time. Yeah, of course, it's a free of cost. But I think it
Okay.
is not. It is also not good, because it helps for beginners. So you can organize your session with the pupils in this group also. So you can make it. You can send your voice messages, like Dhruv always mentioned, that you can discuss of any
Hmm.
topic through audio
Yeah.
this, because
Yeah.
it's a genuine discuss. It's a genuine topic, because if you talk anonymous caller, so what happens? Firstly, you have to spend 15 to 20 minutes for give your introduction each another. So it's
Yeah. Yeah.
completely wasting of time. So you have to put yourself something hard which you have been done before. You don't have to do it for a long time, same and same and same. It's not helpful for your growth purpose.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Shubham, I also want you to mention your thing. What do you do on the daily basis, or how did you learn actually? I mean, I have seen you from the first day. Your English was fine. Still, you get other things.
Dhruv, you asking me?
Dhruv,
Sorry.
are you asking me?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. I'm telling you, Sunil.
Okay, okay, sure. Okay, go ahead, Sunil.
Sunil, yeah.
So Dhruv, today actually I didn't watch WhatsApp message. So what's the topic? I
Okay,
have
okay.
no idea.
No, just listen, just listen. I'm not telling you to speak about the topic, but have you listened the question that Manisha asked? He asked the
No,
question.
I didn't get. I didn't get properly.
She just wanted to ask what you do actually on a daily basis to improve your English language.
Oh, okay, all right. So first of all, if I mention my journey, how I able to speak, then it's really tough, and it's really, you can say, emotional, because from class 1 to 12th I didn't understand even short forms and short words of the English language. Even if I tell you, then all of you will would laugh on me, because after finishing my class 12th I was so poor in the English subject, and I had no presence of mind to differentiate between he and she. So now you can imagine a person who studied English from class 1 to 12 and was not able to difference between properly difference between he and she. Then I thought that this is the not way for me. Such things like crumbling the grammar rule, first form, second form, third. I don't give first of all any damn to such things. So then I got chance to connect with foreigners, help of my cousin, because he is working abroad. So then I connected to him, and he told me so many things, that Sunil, if you want to really learn English, then the traditional method will not work with you. Then I approach another things, that was I started listening, only listening, because I had no idea how to speak, how to form any sentence. And still I don't know any grammar rule, and I don't care about them, because it's just a language like Hindi or Marathi, Marathi, Punjabi, or anything. It's English is just like another language. It's not a complicated as much. Or first of all, it's not a sign of intelligence. I think many of especially Indians, or especially from the Asian continent, they connect English to the intelligence. That's not a thing. That's not a real thing. It's just a language like another language. So yeah, I started from listening. Then I able to understand gradually that yeah, I was able to understand not complicated, but yeah, simple language, not like high level language, but like common language. I was able to understand. Then I started speaking with with him, that I mentioned, that the friend whom I started learning. Then I started speaking with him, and then I understand that the things, that yeah, it's very simple like Hindi language. I can even speak and can communicate. Then I connected to the persons who was in my line. I mean the intermediate or lower level. I didn't connect to the higher level, because they will not give any damn if we are low, because they are feel boredom if we talk with them, because we not understand, and we will not able to make them understand. So I connected to such person who are in my line or in my journey, like lower level. So I started talking with them. Then I also started reading, but I never ever try writing. So through that medium I started my journey learning English. Then I fortunately connected to some polyglot. They know so many languages, like 15 or 13 and more than 50 languages. So that time my mind blow, that yeah, language learning is really different. It's not like joining any so-called American speaking, like you will able to speak fluent English in 30 days or 60 days or 90 days. Then they, if you really go on YouTube or in any website, or if you see the methodology of the polyglot, or how they learn any new language, then that is really different from the convention or a traditional method. Their approach is totally different to learn any language. So what they do, they just collect the common words. Every language have some common words that use frequently. If we talk in 1 hour, then we will use such words like 50 or 30 or 100 times. So we can make such words list, and we can note down, and we can daily basis practice, and we can tag their word, and we can make sentence with the help of that words. So yeah, I also tried this technique. Then I was able to understand even the native speaker, and then I started watching Netflix English series, Hollywood movies. And yeah, that's my journey. But to be honest, I never ever read any grammar book. And as Nabil mentioned one thing, that first of all we should stop learning from Hindi speaker. That's the big problem, because what they do, their method is totally wrong. They first write down any sentence on a blackboard in Hindi, then they translate, then they again give lot of homework to the student, translate from this language to that language. Translation method is totally wrong. It's not work for me. I don't know about you, so
Yeah.
I never ever apply such things. And translation is really danger if you use then it turn like spirituality to pornography. I mean, if you search about the spirituality, then it will put you in the pornography. I mean,
Yeah.
main point is it's not work properly.
खत्म कर दिया.
If you really want to see like Google Translation or Microsoft Translation, or there is many other applications. So if you want to translate, then you will not get 100% translate. There would be so many mistakes. So we can stop these things, and we can apply this polyglots approach. I think that's the thing. And yeah, I also make notes nowadays. I also started writing, but I have no contact with any teacher. I never ever joined. I just took some demo of my cousin. Insist. He said me, Sunil, let's go to the my coaching. There is a lot of, so in our surrounded area there is a lot of American or Australian. I don't know exactly. There is many centers, spoken centers. So I went there, and first day I confronted to a egoist teacher. He told me, like in school they said like sit like this. I was sitting like this, like swag type. So he said me, Sunil, if you really wanna learn, then you have to follow such rules, because in that class approximately the I think all of the class student would be below 60 or 17. I mean teenage persons. So I was like more than 20. So I feel a lot of uncomfort to sit like this, because I thought such thing will not work with me, sitting like this or follow rule strictly. So I never ever go in any center, and I just learn through the internet. But I also criticize many time internet. But this is the reality. I learn only of the internet. I don't know my English, but yeah, I am now able to communicate and able to understand. So yeah, do over to you. I will not consume much time.
Yeah, okay, that's great. That's great. And today, that's why I have taken just this session. So I think
Hello.
many people they can mention. I mean, it is possible for
Yeah.
how they can mention. And yeah, I'm really happy to know. Yeah, Rajat, you wanted to say something?
Yeah, Sunil, I think you were saying some absolutely right. I am not good. If you will give any sentences in a Hindi and you will say you are making the sorry, you should make the sentence in a English. So I think I will not able. I can't make any sentences in the English. I can't translate in Hindi into the English. But I think, but I can speak not like fluently, but not like good speaker. But if I will talk with a person, so yeah, I can talk easily with them. But if we will think about like, but we learn Hindi, translate into English, so I think it is not possible. It's a lengthy process, and like a person will face problem because only time, every time, I think person will think about the grammar rule, and I think person will speak. Okay, so I think we should avoid the grammar rule because I heard and I get the suggestion from lots of speakers. They said if you will learn this language, so first you forget the rules of grammar. Okay, you speak first. You get confident because confidence is the most important. If you will have good confidence, so obviously you will speak fluently, not a fluently, but yeah, you will speak. You will learn. That's it.
Okay,
That's it.
it's true. It's definitely true. Okay, Monty, I also want you to mention your thing. I mean, yeah, Manisha is not here, but I want you to mention. So at least we have a collection in one single video, the method that you have used, how you actually develop your. We have talked, but still, I want you to tell something about.
Are you asking from me, Dhruv? Hello.
Yeah, yeah, Monty, go ahead.
Yeah. So, as I know that I studied from the English medium school, so I don't have any big problem in understanding English part, because I have a kind of craze, or my hobbies that to watch Hollywood movies from the starting. From class 9th onwards, I play a lot of games Like I have kind of hobby in playing games, computer games. So they are only in the English language. Although I don't have a craze in the watching the series, but I have the craze of watching the Japanese cartoon, that is a anime. So, and you can't believe, Dhruv, but I have a kind of knowledge on the Japanese as well as French because I love that kind of series. But after clearing the 12th class, what I realized that I want to go for the becoming an army officer. So I realized that English play a vital role in that field.
Mhm.
And in the basic interview part, that is the SSB, by which they select you as an army cadet. So I had given 2 times SSB and I was screened out in that part. That is the first day screened out, in which they will check you on the basis of your group discussion. So first of all, after coming back from the SSB, what I realized is that my power of expression is very low. I'm not able to influence the people, influence my other batchmates that were sitting around me at the time of SSB. So after that onwards, the whole year now, I think it's about 4 to 5 months I have been in the practicing while looking at the mirror. I have the reading habit, although daily I read the newspaper. That is a kind of hobby, or saying that interesting part for me. And in this year also I had read 4 5 books. I don't have any craze of reading books, but this year I had read 5 to 7 books because what I was thinking that I can take the advice from the many guys that how to improve English. So they just guide me that you have to read some of the books, and if you are feeling comfortable or if you are understanding that, that means that I just give the answer that I can easily understand what the books have the kind of information. But when it comes to the speaking part, so after joining your session, I think Nabil and many of the other batchmates just guide me that everything if you will do, that's fine, but if you can't speak with yourself or you can't speak in front of mirror or with your friends, then it never will be happen. Either if you are a good I think reader, if you are a good listener. So if you are not speaking well, that means if you're not daily not practicing, and if you're not consistent, that it will never happen that you can be a good fluent speaker. So that that means that I have been practicing in English from the last 4 months, that's only. But I have the kind of confidence. I'm not saying that I don't have the confidence in speaking with English in front of anybody. I have the kind of confidence because there were so many competition in my schools were there. I had taken part, but when it comes for the extempore and some kind of English competition, so I had taken my name out from that competition. I had taken the part in the science fair as well as in the dance competition. There is a lot of competition in which I given my name. So that is my I think a kind of I think what I'm saying. I have to improve in the English part. That's only because after giving the SSP, what I realized that it is the most important thing for me. So this whole year I had I think from the last 2 months I'm joining your session, and it is very yeah, I can say that I am improving a lot from this session.
Yeah, sure. Even I totally agree with Monty in every single part. Even the session that I'm creating, it is not just because I'm creating, so I know. No, this is only for just because I'm also improving. The same thing like Monty is telling, we are all like Nabil and me, and we are also doing the practice every single day. And that's why we started. That's why we started. That's why we take an initiative. That we were already doing all these things on Tapri and any other application. Then we realized why not to do it with our own like kind of atmosphere or own members. At least they have every single day, so we can somehow interact with each other. This is how we can connect more. And now just because we know each other more and more, that's why it is good thing to talk with each other. Now we can't talk everything different topic, different thing. That is when we improve. Just talking on any single application, we give more than 3 minutes to speak about the same thing. Where are you from? What you do and how are you doing? Like that, the questions. And some people talk for around 8 minutes, 10 minutes, but somehow we don't come up to talk about any topic or like the different thing. It is very rare. Only we do when we have made the mindset for that. That whenever I get connected with any people, I will only talk about the topic or this thing, right? And that is very good. Okay, now I think on this Shiven we have now, he has not shared his journey, but I also want to Shiven to speak. But before that, I really want to appreciate Shiven. I mean, I know personally Shiven, but I'm not appreciating him for it that just because I know personally him, I have suggested so many people who knew I have suggested to my other friends, brothers, so many people. But he's the only one who is still continuing for so long time. And believe me, guys, he has a very weaker, you can say, background in kind of English language. Just because he has also joined a Hindi medium background school, and he have never practiced. But after session, he has seen on Zoom that we were creating that, he told and he joined. The main thing is not like he knew something or not, or he will know. The main thing is still consistent whenever he gets the time. So the actual the enthusiasm that he has, I have to learn. Okay, and you have listened here, now you can again listen, but I think this is what we every people need if we want to improve, no matter at what extent we want to improve, and this is how we can improve. Okay, Shivan, now just tell about yourself and how did you start it and why did you start it? Why did you start and still how are you learning?
Yeah, so hi everyone. I'm audible, na?
Yeah, you are
Yeah,
audible.
bro.
Okay, so firstly, yeah, well, Nabil bro and Sunil bro and all members, the good like mention all points. But according to me, yeah, your all point is good. But according to me, when I start a journey like any field, like learning, any like competitive exam, any English through like English writing skill, speaking skill, and understanding skill. So all field only want to a practice. Okay, because if you do not want like if you do not practice, so you can't achieve, and you achieve, but you want to like more time. Okay, then you will directly and indirectly, I don't know, but if you want to like fast and every day increase your English, so you will everyday practice like speaking, writing, and reading, and listening all thing, and understanding also. So definitely you will achieve your you are a good fluent speakers. And so my journey was actually I'm also Hindi background, and I'm classing like first to 12th. I'm studying like Hindi background. Okay, so my English marks in 12th standard and 10th standard very weak. Out of 100, so my marks were like 34, 33. So not like passing marks, only 33 passing marks in MP board. But now in this time I'm 2 month ago just I'm started speaking practice and writing and reading, and like more and grammar some part I'm using. And then I will start, I was started. So it's I think according to me in my in my body personality language, and I speaking that a very good result in this time. And I don't know what I was mistake and what I am doing mistake. And but yeah, I will definitely find my mistake. But now in this time I'm also know I'm just learner, I'm just learning. Well, okay, I'm just speaking practice every day, and I'm telling you and all, I'm using daily application like Buddy Talk, but not like Buddy Talk. Nabil bro also mentioned like Buddy Talk in some like random topic, random body also, but they are like both types. Hi, hello, and where are you from, and what are you do, and then cut the call. So it's not like for discussion. So not like, but when I practicing with Hello app, so in this application is very good, and according to me, and it's a very not paid app. It's a very totally free, not like paid any coins and not pay any money. So it's a very good app, and I'm daily practicing every day, like 1.5 hour
Okay. Okay, all right. So I think Venkatesh and Rajat, we all people know him for so long time, and we are also know that how he's doing his practice. But I think we have seen Rajat and Venkatesh. That he can do like the level of speaking, but he's still doing practice every single day without any questioning on himself that I can speak or not. Other people what they will think about me. So whenever we have such kind of encouragement inside us, then definitely we can learn anything. Okay. We have only
Okay, bro.
1.5 minutes, so definitely we don't have enough time to mention other thing. But I want to tell one thing, like sometime whenever I don't have time, so anybody can create the session at this time, like Sunil created, I
Yeah,
think,
bro.
times. Okay, so this is how you people will engage. I mean, this is how you have time to practice half an hour, and this practice definitely helps you. Not, I'm not telling it is enough for you, but at least it creates environment inside you. Whenever you are
Yeah.
sleep and whenever you are doing anything in a whole day, at least something in your mind is going on that I have to speak in English at a night, or I am at least speaking every single day. So whatever I listen, I catch more. I become more attentive. But just if you will just, and if we are not doing, so what happens after sometimes we realize, okay, kind of monotonous. It's okay. So I think that's why it is important to do practice every single day. And whenever I have time, definitely I will try to create. Okay.
Oh, okay, bro.
Thank you for joining today. Now we have chosen.
Hello. Hello.
I think you have mentioned your part, and that's great. We really appreciate. Now we don't have enough time. Okay, so
Yeah, actually, I was saying, actually, sorry for that. My internet is very
okay,
low, and like all 100% data used also. So it's reason why I cut the connection. So I
mm,
was saying, like I'm daily practicing like 1 hours and 2 hours. Okay. And every day practicing with Hello app and one Lingeng application with, and like